Welcome back, farmers, to our channel, the Impact Organic Farmers Group Kenya. Today we are going to learn about a very common vegetable that doesn't miss in our African Kenyan dishes. This is the tomato. Tomatoes are a very enjoyable crop to grow because they have very many enormous benefits to our health. Tomatoes are very easy crop to grow because they are very easy crop to grow because tomatoes barely take even 4 to 5 months in the field before you serve them as a plate. Tomatoes are very easy to consume and are readily available crop to use. You can use it as a vegetable. You eat with in your dessert, in your salad. You can eat tomatoes as a fruit. You can eat tomatoes as a paste to cook other foods like pilau rice. You can use tomatoes has an enormous, even it makes juice. It's used in the industries to make tomato juice. So growing tomatoes are just grown from a seed bed. You make a seed bed, then you come and get the seedlings. You put them on the shamba like we have done here at the Real Farmers Farm. Tomatoes just need you make a small trench. You can use manure to grow tomatoes. You can use the normal manures to grow tomatoes. And then it's also advisable to keep off most of the pests. You can plant some onions, some spring onions. You can plant some spring onions at the edges of the plots of your shamba. And then these spring onions will keep away the snails. They'll keep away the pungent smell from the onions, will keep away most of the pests instead of using these synthetic pesticides. Also, controlling pests and diseases in tomatoes, it's quite easy because you can use cultural methods, you can use chemical method, you can use organic method. Make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever we are continuing on this topic of tomatoes, we are going to dive deeper about different ways of growing the tomato, being a very important vegetable in our diet. Till next time, see you again, the Real Farmer, Alex the Real Farmer. Don't forget to hit our subscribe button to our channel, and don't forget to like and follow us on our Facebook page, the Impact Organic Farmers Group Kenya. Ciao! Till next week. Bye.